This video provides instructions for installing the Trex RainEscape system when there is no flashing against the house. If there is flashing against the house, please view the video on installing the system with flashing. We recommend that the Trex RainEscape system is installed with flashing, but in some cases, such as a brick or stucco house, flashing is not possible. Install the trough material, following the trough installation instructions. The Trex RainEscape caulk can be very sticky and messy, so the trough material needs to be installed first. Once the trough is in place, lift the trough material and apply a heavy bead of caulk between the ledger board and the house. Fill all voids, cracks, and crevices. Staple the trough in place following the trough installation instructions. Once the caulk is in place between the ledger board and the house, and the trough material and downspouts are installed, the deck boards need to be installed. Measure, cut, and dry fit the first deck board to ensure the correct size. Once the first deck board is caulked and put in place, it cannot be removed. Apply the second layer of caulk on top of the trough material to bind the trough to the house. Once this is done, the first deck board with wall flash can be installed and attached to the joists.